I'm feeling the need for speed. What up? It's Will Vitela, home tech expert, back in Orange, California, working for a family I just absolutely adore. They gave me a call and they said, hey, Will, can you upgrade our audio experience? You know, my son is just not happy with it, with the Bose soundbar and the subwoofer that we got. And I said, abso-freaking-lutely I could do that. I can put in one of my home tech expert Sonos surround sound systems. And then so the first thing that I did after ripping out the Bose soundbar and the subwoofer is that I needed to move the TV up a little bit higher in order so that I could mount and float the Sonos soundbar right underneath it. Notice how the soundbar is mounted clean, professionally with hidden wiring. This Sonos ERA Dolby Atmos soundbar has 11 speakers inside of it, including 2 that fire up into the ceiling. And also I have it connected with a Sonos premium subwoofer that has dual woofers inside of it. But we wanted to do a full surround sound system, so taking a look at the back, this is what it looks like before. Now I'm going to be installing some Sonos ERA 300 speakers in the back. Now these are newer speakers that came out from Sonos that are Dolby Atmos rear surround sound speakers. I'm super excited to be installing this in the back for rear surround sound speakers. It has some great weight to it and it just feels premium. They did a beautiful job with it. Now, besides it having rear surround sound behind you, it has 2 speakers that fire up into the ceiling, as well as the 2 speakers on the sound bar in the front that fire up into the ceiling also. Inside of this speaker, it has 4 tweeters, 2 woofers, and 6 dedicated Class D amplifiers. At Home Tech Expert, the way that we like to do things is from start to finish, from the wiring to the drywall repair work, to the touch-up painting, the installation, the setup, the programming. Everything is done professionally and clean. I mean, come on, look at this. One thing that I want to tell you and comment is I was also very impressed by this Sonos wall mounting brackets. When I took it out of the box, I was expecting something just a little bit more flimsier, but it actually is a thick piece of metal and it's very sturdy. And of course we mount it on the 2x4 studs, right? You definitely don't want to use drywall anchors with these speakers because they do have some weight on them. I mean, look at this. Wow. Beautiful, clean, just like that floating look. It's just a beautiful system and it sounds absolutely incredible. Dolby Atmos 5.1.4 system. Wow. You know, if you want to get something done like this professionally, go to hometechexpert.com and click on schedule a free estimate.